All right, let's talk a little about federalism. As you may know, federalism is a type of government. That simply means it's a way of running and managing a country. In a federal system, there are two levels of government. One is the federal government, also called the central government. It's called central because it looks after the whole country. Then we have provincial governments. These are also called provinces or states. Each province manages its own local issues. For example, a province can run its own schools. And students in one province might dress differently from students in another. Now, here's something important. Some powers belong only to the central government, for example, national defense or printing money. You can't have two currencies in the same country, right? Other powers belong only to the provinces, like education or healthcare. And some powers are shared. That means both the central and provincial governments can use them. So what's the main idea of federalism? It's this: power or control can be divided and shared between the centre and the provinces.
Can you give us examples of a federal state?
Yes, of course. You may have heard of India, Canada, and South Africa. These are all federal countries.
Why is India federal?
That's a great question. India is a very big country. It has many languages and many ethnic groups. One system for everyone may seem like a good idea, but in reality, it doesn't work well. You can't force people from different religions or cultures to live the same way. Also, it's hard to ask people to manage their lives in a language that is not their own. That's why a federal system makes more sense. It helps people live together while still letting them manage their own affairs in their own way. Now, here's a homework exercise for you. Think about a country like Turkey. Do you know Turkey? Ask yourself, do you think Turkey should be a federal country or not? You don't all have to agree. It's okay to have different opinions. Just think about the language, culture, religion, or any other factor that you think is important when deciding if a country should be federal. We'll talk about your answers next time.